Good morning, it's Flapjack and Beans here, welcome back to the channel, it's Big D. Today we've been out for breakfast, there's no riding again, and we're in with the little, the Red Baron. Here's Major Mo, say good morning Major Mo.
Hey up.
There's Major Mo, we've got a little, what we're doing now in the, this is what they call the frunk on a CAN-AM Spyder. Obviously that's its closed position, but you get all that, you get a full travel aeroplane size suitcase in there, just as a matter of saying. And in there we've got the Optimate connected. The battery says just behind this cover here, which we just double checked, and we found out that it wasn't charging or optimating the battery because the bloody thing weren't connected right on the connector, which Marcus is working on now, just trying to get it to piece together better. And then we're going to put a little addition on, so I thought I'd make a little movie of it, so stay with us, we'll see you in a bit. So then you've got a self-locker screw with Loctite already applied, I think. See how that goes. Okay, so here we are now. You can see I'm so. Oops, is that not tight, Mo? Don't know what's going off there. We'll tighten that up. I'm sat in the driver's position now, the rider's position, and you can see that the phone is not. I want it more round towards me, but
Got in, that's loose.
So here we are, that's the anti-vibration, and it's also a charger, this model. It's very good, I quite like it actually. It charges up your iPhone or whatever phone, and while you're riding, and that little swivel up there connects onto there, but it doesn't. So what Mo's going to put on this bit here, what he's got in his hands, Mr. Jones, should eliminate that problem for us. We hope so anyway. That little bit's going to go in there, look. Oh, it's all technical stuff, you know, in Flapjack's pad. Oh, yes. It's one of them things that you can't dog everything up because you don't know what you're going to end up like, do you? It's a bit of a strange thing, actually. It only looks a little component, but it's going to do a lot. There you go. And there goes the next piece. In there. And that piece goes on there. We're all going together jelly-like at the moment.
Now angle it where you want.
I was hopefully going to do an update today on the CAN-AM, being as it's been sat here for 3 months without going anywhere. Oh, I don't know about 3 weeks, I think it must be about 3 months. There's where we want it, Mo. That's ideal there, that's absolutely perfection there. It'll stay there, will it?
Going on.
Yeah, as I was saying, for about 3 months it's been studying, so
Let go.
I was going to do a software update on the screen here, but it comes to pass, as we said, the bloody Optimate hasn't been working, so it's got a flat battery, so we'll have to do that and film another time.
Going, is that where you want it?
Yeah, perfect there, man.
Got in, don't go in.
Well, there. Perfect. Perfect there, Mo.
Is that where it sits?
Yeah.
Go in, we can adjust it.
Yeah.
Got.
It's spanner for you.
Oh, fucking hell. Just hold it there.
Oh, great, Mo.
Don't keep adjusting it. I'll adjust it to where you want. There. We've got a ruffle. Oh, right.
So,
yeah.
here we go. Then we think we've got this piece bolted on right there. And that piece goes in there. Oops. Major's just made 5 phone calls to Australia. Let's go that way a bit now. It's gone. Why does it always go that way? Why does it go the other way?
Which way do you want it
to go? That way a bit. Oh. That's it. That's perfect, isn't it? Alright, so you're riding along now. You want your... What I do on here, if anybody's into vlogging, I have me, what do you call it? A GoPro connected on here. So if I connect up now, look, just to show you, it's looking for a GoPro now. And it should find it, we hope. So they always change its software. This is another thing with this. They keep changing its software, but whether it's the right thing to be doing, I don't know, but that's a lot better than that. So it's searching for a GoPro in your area, it says. Video, it's now recording whatever you're looking at on your bike. So there we go, we're going along. If you want to talk to yourself, you talk to yourself like we're doing now, like idiots. And then you want to stop the recording, right? You can say GoPro stop recording, but it never works, wind noise or anything like that. Again, let it roll, and then there you go, I've stopped it, and you'll see now it's restarted itself, connected straight away back to the recording. So it stopped and restarted straight back to the recording, which you can now do. Yeah, so that's all working fine. As I say, that's how it looks. Looks okay. So anybody who's got a Can-Am or is interested in Can-Ams, not that I'm any bloody expert, I've not only owned it a few months. We're a new machine, as you've probably seen on the videos, for my body positioning as it is at the moment, foot. But anyway, that said, I'm now going to do the install, or continue on with the install on the Can-Am software. So that'll be another video. So thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, because I need subscribers. Okay, that's great. Have a good day. See you in a bit.